So on the Google Certified Educator exam, there is the requirement of being able to create a Venn diagram using Google Drawings. I don't think they actually ask you to create it. I think they just ask a question, could you do it, how would you do it, or inferencing the way of using Google Drawings. So either way, let's go in and to Google Drawings. I want to go ahead and create a Venn diagram. Obviously the size of this would be dictated by your page properties. You probably want to size it to whatever you're trying to do, whether it's Google Slides or Google Docs. But creating a Venn diagram is actually pretty easy. The most common one we see is using two oval shapes. So if we take two circles here, we draw these two circles, we can copy it and overlap it. Okay. Stretch them right over to the edge of the screen. Now, obviously, right now we can't see through both of these. So in order to see through both of these, we have to change the color. The first thing we're going to do is go into a custom color, and we're going to pick a different color here. For example, I'm going to choose red on this side. I'll slide the slider over to red, choose a little more of a red color, and then I want to change the transparency, bring it down. Click OK. There we go. So now you can start to see the other color here, and we can keep this color. We can make it transparent. It really doesn't matter because it's on the bottom. If this was actually up on the top, if it's up on the top, that would be a bit of an issue, but right now it works just fine. So maybe just increase to 2 pixels so we can see the defined edges. Increase to 2 pixel, and there you go. So now you can put in some text. The character 1. Probably should spell character correctly. Character 1. I'm going to copy this. Try it again. There we go. Is that over here? Character 2. Remember the red line indicates that they're in parallel. They're on the same horizon. And so now this document is ready to be used. A Venn diagram. It can be as simple as that. For students, I would probably go ahead and add the text in here, and then you can put what you want in commonality, like shared traits, shared actions, shared looks, shared places, whatever you want to use. So that's quickly how you create a Venn diagram.